vision and the concept is about taking children out of technokinesis and out of technology and show them real life.
Go outside and make some noise. Let's
Dramatic play is inherent in every human being.
Fun is in the sunshine and fun is in the greens.
Dramatic play is most inherent, of course, in kids because their imagination knows no bounds. So the idea is to just make all these kids feel a magnified sense of self-awareness where they recognize their strengths, their capabilities in this particular workshop. I mean, because theatre is a very expansive field.
How many of you want to play the game? Bing bang bong!
Bing bang bong!
Bing bang bong!
Bing bang bong! The red robin ran round and round the rotunda. So let's go, 1, 2, 3, go! Together!
Round and round the rotunda.
Very nice. You got to be loud.
Love is all around us wherever we look.
Most children tend to hide, get shy, not talk in groups. So if 60 to 70% comes out and says me, 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 it's wonderful.
We are the light and we are the name. Life is a celebration.
अगर इसके ऊपर मैं कोक का लेबल लगा दूं क्या कोक बन जाएगा? नहीं बनेगी ना, क्या रहेगी? वाटर बॉटल, राइट? सो जो चिट्स आपने अपने ऊपर लगाई हैं, वो क्या है फिर?
Every child is born with all the powers in the world.
और जैसे जैसे बड़े होते गए ये लेबल्स अपने ऊपर चिपकाते रहे। मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता। बट आप कैसे हो एक्चुअली? No limit. So कभी भी कुछ भी कर सकते हो।
TV is no passion, computers are no game. Let's meet new people and make new friends. Let's have a real life and
When we do these sessions with the children or with parents, the idea is at the end of the session, they should say what we want to say. So when we at the ending, they said we are no limit, we can do everything, and I can't is burnt. That's the agenda.
I want to see you dance once. Can we just see?
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੱਪਿਆ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਾਰੋਬਾਰ ਪੈਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਦੋਂ ਦੀ ਮੈਡਮ ਜੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਬਸ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਕੁੜੀ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਕੁੜੀ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ
Everyone is coming from my dance classes and from outside and from everywhere just to learn that there's life beyond iPad. Nahi, go, chor police, dancing, fashion show, walking, football, outside. Go outside and dance. It's just what Saurabh Pandey and Vandana's done with Brainstorm Entertainment. It's just phenomenal.
Saturday.
Very few people have got the privilege of working with him and I've learned from him. So it's a great platform that Shamak always initiates with kids so that they actually get a chance to perform on stage, which some years back he never got a chance to do. So he pioneered something and it's just people follow.
See, before we started conceiving this project, we did speak to a lot of teachers, children, parents, counselors, and we figured out that there are a few things that the children are lacking today. So we are focusing on those skills that we want to now inculcate in children. The first one is communication skills. Second is confidence. Third is self-esteem.
The reason why nutrition is so important, because if you don't eat the nutritious stuff, what's going to happen? If you're only going to eat pizza and pastas.
It's very tasty. It's very tasty. Noodle, pasta.
A lot of parents feel very anxious when it comes to food related things with kids, because I'm a mother and I know how bad it can be. Some kids don't eat, some eat too much, and some, issues with their health. Some are overweight, some are underweight, and I think parents, for them, kids is the main. See, the reason why the fest is happening is also because the parents feel that they need to improvise the kids in every level. I think this is a brilliant effort because I've never heard of somebody trying to do nutrition, fashion.
Gadgets don't matter, and neither do the toys. Let's go outside and make some noise. Let's go outside and make some noise.
We have about 120 kids, and working with kids is a lot of fun, a task. Therefore, we had to have method to our madness. So we did divide the children into groups. We've been rehearsing with them. Getting music done was another task because we need to get music for at least about an hour.
Is a book. Love is all around us wherever we look.
Mark sir teaches us that how should we walk, the body language should do while the ramp. How to be cool. How to be cool.
We are the light and we are the
मुझे अच्छा लगा कि he was very happy yesterday. Yes, mama, मुझे अच्छा लगा.
I am very happy. My daughter gave me a call in the afternoon. I said, what happened? Shall I come and take you? She said, no, I am very happy.
Yeah, she was very excited yesterday. She couldn't sleep because of her excitement. She was waiting when the second day will come and she'll again come to this place.
Actually, I'm very happy that he did not, bother about any gadgets,
We are spending quality time here, gadget-free time here, which is wonderful.
उसको डांस करने को मिल रहा है यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और उसकी जो पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग हो रही है वो घर जाकर भी उस तरह से स्टेप्स करती है जैसे आपके यहाँ किड्स फैशन उसको सिखाया जा रहा है.
I'm wearing a skirt, shirt with a tie, hat, jacket. I'm wearing a gown. Gown. I'm also gown. I have not decided. The ramp walk S formation. Ramp walk!
love is a hello and love is a book.
It's a 4-day workshop. It's a continuous 4 days. Parents have to bring their children every morning and take them in the afternoon. So we were very clear to choose a venue or a location which was safe. So we chose a 5-star property. So we are doing it in Piccadilly and we've taken the banquet which is centrally heated. So children are safe, they're fine, they're kept warm. The timing was very important because since children have to come for 4 days, we had to choose holidays. Biggest challenge we have today is the change. We have all the kids walking 2 times on the ramp and we have 2 different tires, Indian and Western. So that's one thing, which is really, really challenging today. In those few minutes, we have to get the kids out of that Indian outfit, those makeup, accessories, hairdo and get them into absolutely happening Western wear.
Ten on 10 for everything the kids did, the way they looked, the attitude, their confidence, the way they got it together, the way they kept their cues, fashion element, the glamour element, the fun element, everything came together absolutely fabulously.
Fun is in the sunshine.
So many people applauding for her. It was amazing. I think this kind of workshops should be conducted more and more.
My daughter used to lack confidence and today I was very happy to see her confident.
I want to relive my childhood. It's all fun, fun, fun. मेरा बेटा बहुत खुश है. सबसे ज़्यादा तो वो खुश है कि शामक से मिला. मम्मी मैंने उन्हें टच किया.
Earlier she used to say, Mom, I can't. It's very difficult for me. I cannot do. But yesterday a miracle happened and she said, Mama, I can.
My daughter has inculcated this habit where she says, I have all the powers in the world. When I saw my kid walking the ramp for the first time at this age, it was fabulous.
The best thing was that the audience were happy. सब लोगों ने तालियां बजाई. इनको ये अच्छा लगा. मेरे को बहुत ही मजा आया. मेरे को शो में भी बहुत बहुत मजा आया. The ramp walk. Ramp walk. Fashion show. I want to be an actor. What extent is? Businessman. Engineer. Film director. A doctor. Designer. Teacher. Fashion designer. Boxer. Science teacher. Love is a hello and love is a
They displayed what we taught them, confidence, poise, all the grooming that the experts did, it all came out at the finale. From every workshop, what they have learned, they displayed, they showed it, and I'm so proud of the children, each and every child. We plan to now take it to many cities, starting with Chandigarh, Mumbai, Bangalore, Jaipur. We take it to these cities and we plan to take it internationally as well. London, Toronto, New York. We want to touch kids across the world.
Life is so easy.